Hi, my dear doers, and welcome back. Here at Stealthy Wood, we want to optimize our products picking operations by using the appropriate inventory automation system. And as we saw in previous tutorials, Odoo offers several removal strategies such as FIFO, first in, first out, LIFO, last in, first out, and FEFO, first expired, first out. In this course, we're going to focus on the last one, FIFO, but don't hesitate to check out the other lessons of this module if you want more information about the other two strategies. FEFO was a method used in inventory management by companies selling perishable products. It works more or less the same way as FIFO, except that the product that moves out first is the one with the closest expiration date, not necessarily the one that arrived earlier. And it's essential to ensure that my perishable products at Stealthy Wood are being dispatched from the warehouse well before their expiry date and that no expired products are being sold to our customers. And you can easily imagine why. So let's jump into Stealthy Wood's database to see how it works. All right, here I am on my database. Now, first of all, let's go to Inventory, Configuration, Settings, because using removal strategies requires enabling some settings, and I've already saved those that we're going to use in this video. But so you can follow along with this course, you will need lots and serial numbers underneath the traceability section, storage locations, as well as multi-step routes underneath the warehouse section, and for the FIFO strategy in particular, you will also need to activate expiration dates. So since I have all of those saved and activated and saved already, let's start by checking out one of our perishable goods that we sell here at Stealthy Wood. So I'm going to go to my products, all right, and I'm going to search for one of our perishable products. So here, wood glue. All right, this is a storable product. It also can be purchased, and I have a vendor set up. And then we're going to go to the Inventory tab. And I want to be sure that I am tracking this item. So if I'm tracking either by lot or by unique serial number, I will then have the option to say if I would like to add an expiration date. If I do not select tracking, I do not have that option. So let's go ahead and select by lots again. And once we have expiration date activated like this, we will have some additional date options where we can add the expiration time, best before time, removal time, or alert time, all of which are calculated in days. Now I have added -60 days here for the removal time, and this is going to correspond to the date on which the product should be removed from the stock. So in our case, Stealthy Wood wants to dispatch its wood glue from the warehouse 60 days before the expiration date. All right, so let's go ahead and save this, and then we're going to set up a location where the FIFO method can be applied. So we're going to go to Configuration, Locations, and I'm simply going to select my regular warehouse/stock location. So let's click on Edit, and under the Logistics section, I can add the removal strategy here, so FIFO. And then we're going to click on Save. All right, so now that I have my location set up and my product set up, we're going to go to the Purchase application and create an RFQ for this item. All right, so first let's add our vendor, wood corner. We're going to add the product, and I'm going to purchase 20 units. All right, then we're going to save this RFQ, confirm it, turning it into a purchase order, and we will receive the products. So I'm actually going to divide this order into 3 different lots. So let's go ahead and add those lots. All right, so we're going to put 1. Let's say there will be 8 items in this lot. I'm going to add the expiration date as well, which will be pretty far in the future because wood glue typically has a shelf life of 1 or 2 years. So let's put 2023, I'll put January, or let's say February 2nd. All right, then I have my second lot. I'm going to put another 8 items. Again, I'm changing the expiration date. This time January 18th. And my last lot, which of course will have the last 4 items to complete the 20 that I have ordered. Let's go back. This time we're going to choose 2022. I'm going to select December. And then we're going to go ahead and confirm this and validate the reception. All right, so that's done. So let's jump back quickly to the inventory application. I'm going to go to Configuration, back to our locations. our stock location where I set up the removal strategy, and I'm going to check out the current stock. So here I can check out our stock for our wood glue. All right, so I have my lots. I can also see the removal dates as well as the quantities that I have. And I can even select the item to see both the incoming date and the removal date. And you're going to notice that the removal date is set precisely 60 days before the expiration date that we applied. So for example, here on lot 3, I said that was going to expire in December 2022, and we see here that the removal date is October 2022. All right, so that looks good. So let's go ahead and sell some of these items. All right, so we're going to go to sales, and we're going to create a new quotation, of course. So let's select our customer and the product, and let's say they want to purchase 6 units, and we're going to go ahead and save this and confirm. Then we're going to go to our delivery to see how Odoo reserved those products. So here on the delivery, we already see that 4 items have been reserved from lot 3. Now, if you remember, lot 3 is actually the lot with the products that will expire the soonest, and there were only 4 items in that lot, so it reserved all 4 of those items, and it reserved them first, so before the other 2 lots that we received. And then it went to lot 2, which had the next soonest expiration date, and then it took the next 2 products from that lot. So it looks good. It is considering the earliest expiry date, so that's great. All right, so let's complete the flow. I'm going to validate this. I'm going to apply. Let's disable SMS. All right, this is done. And once again, we're going to quickly jump back to the inventory application, configuration, locations, and we're going to check out the current stock. I'm going to go back to the wood glue, and here we're going to see that the available quantity has been updated. So we don't have any more items from lot 3. We still have a few from lot 2, which once again should be removed before lot 1. So all of those items will be reserved and sold and sent out before the items are used from lot 1. As you can see, thanks to Odoo, I can entirely rely on the appropriate removal strategy to automatically reserve the right items to be delivered at the right time. So how quick and easy and convenient was that? That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and if I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.